Hi, I'm Kevin Falvey, Editor-in-Chief of Boating Magazine, and I'm here on the Côte d'Azur, the French Riviera, with Aine Denari, President of Brunswick Boat Group. Hi, Aine.
Hi, Kevin. Great to be here. Thanks for coming.
We're standing aboard the new NAVAN. There's two models. There's an S30 and a C30. This is the cabin version, or the C. I just had the opportunity to run it, and you're going to see it in the United States and Canada sometime in early 2024. Aine, tell us about your entry into this new niche for Brunswick.
Yeah, this is an exciting new white space opportunity for us. This is a premium adventure boat. We have a patented twin step hull, a T-step hull, which is really exciting. We've integrated all kinds of technologies here. We've got C-zone digital switching. We've got various different Mercury options, up to and including twin 300s. Top speed 52 knots. Boat handles really well, nicely stable, great performance. Just loaded with features, and this is a really exciting growth opportunity for us.
Can you talk a little bit about this stepped hull? I understand it's the first stepped hull patented by Brunswick?
That's correct. So it's a twin step hull. It's a T-step, which is the part that we patent. It really helps us with the maneuverability as well as stability. So the patent piece is really contributing to better stability than maybe you will see with a typical twin step hull. And so I'm sure you had the opportunity to run it and get to feel that great performance and stability, but it's in large part due to that T-step hull.
We did run it, and in the time I had to run it today, it did plane very easily. It held plane at a nice low RPM, and with 9 people aboard, it achieved 47 knots. So it's a performer. Aine, last thing, when will we see this? When will my audience see this boat in the United States and Canada?
Well, so it's launching here in Europe this week, which is very exciting, at the Cannes Boat Show, and you will see it in the US coming up in Miami. So look forward to showing it off there in February next year.